Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over the locations of your VIN number on a Kia Optima. On this Kia Optima, there's always the classic one right here at the bottom for basically any vehicle. The bottom of the windshield, this is your VIN number that is encapsulated inside the windshield and so forth. The hardest one for anybody to say remove for whatever reason. But this is your VIN number. Sometimes you use your VIN number to match parts to your vehicle to know exactly which parts you need to get. That's the one by the window. Then you've got the standard one inside the door panel. And this one right here is where you would find the year of the car, how many pounds it weighs, and all of that information on here for your vehicle. Now Kia, they like to put a VIN number everywhere. So right here, there's a VIN number. So same with the trunk and all the other door panels and fenders. Kia has built in all of the VIN numbers all over the vehicle so that you can match them and see if a part has ever been replaced on your vehicle, because if a part's been replaced, being a fender, this would be a different VIN number. And so that's one way you can find if there has been a different part put onto your vehicle. And thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.